Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Sunday the 27th of October 2019, and this is the weekly analysis for Euro, Cable and Aussie dollar for the 5th week of October. Let's begin with the Euro, and over the last couple of days it has been drifting lower, retracing lower to the lower channel trend line now, and heading towards the previous swing low, as well as the daily 55 EMA around the 110.60 level, and this after the Thursday ECB meeting as well, where there was no change, and initially there was a climb higher during the day before the policy decisions, but then after that it retraced lower to the 111 level, and finally on Friday that support gave way, so this could now be a potential resistance zone at the 111 to just above the 111 area. We'll see what the new weekly pivot is for next week. And let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. This was the intraday resistance level. It is spiked through it but then blocked by the this intermediate resistance level and fell back, and eventually fell lower to the 111 area where the 55 period EMA was, and finally on Friday, late Friday, it has fallen below the lower trend line of the bullish channel, but we'll see whether it's going to rebound back into the channel or it's going to continue lower and fall outside of the bullish channel. Daily time frame again, and we can actually move this Fibonacci now to the latest move up higher. Right, and now it's retracing, trying to retrace lower to the 38 fib retracement level, and we'll see whether this support will hold, and along with the 200 period EMA, or whether it's going to retrace further down to the 50% fib retracement level. Right, there's only minor news next week with the prelim and flash CPI and GDP figures on Wednesday and Thursday, but there's a key event with the US Fed. The FOMC meeting is early on Thursday morning, and that may impact the euro as well, along with the non-farm payroll report on Friday. And for some parts of Europe, it's a holiday on Friday as well, so there could be some volatility for the euro. All right, let's move on to the cable. And on Thursday, the cable had a wide range of over 150 pips, and finding support at the 128 level, and on Friday as well, still holding up above that. Retreated back inside the bearish channel. Let's take a look at the 4 time frame, and it could not reach the previous intermediate resistance that we marked on Thursday, and fell lower on the Thursday and consolidated for the rest of Friday, holding up at the 128 level along with the 55 period EMA. So still trending, or still trading inside the slightly bearish channel. Let's also change the Fibonacci now to the current swing high and recent move up. So currently it's still around the 21 Fib retracement level. It still has quite a way to go to the 38 Fib retracement level, which is right at the 127.00 level. So price needs to drift lower below the 128, which seems to be a key support now, before it can target the next Fib retracement level, where there's a previous swing high up here as well. So we'll see how the price action is for the next few days, and review on Tuesday. But there are no economic news for the UK this week as well, and it will be also exposed to the FOMC policy decision and potential rate cut on early Thursday, and then the non-farm payroll from the US on Friday night. So that's going to be a critical event that may move a cable as well. So for now, it's possibly trending and drifting lower along this channel. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar has also retraced lower with a sharp move lower on Thursday to find support at the weekly pivot and the 55 daily 55 EMA, and consolidated further on Friday and still above the 0.68 key support level. We can also move this Fibonacci retracement level to the latest swing move up, and it has not reached the 38 Fib retracement level yet, which is just right at the 0.6800 level as well. And we'll see if this key support holds. If not, then once it's breached, it's going to target the rising trend line, and perhaps even the 50 Fib retracement level at 0.6777. Right, on the 4 time frame, it's hovering around the 55 period EMA, and the 200 period EMA is just right next to the 0.6800 key support level. So That's going to be a key area. So we'll follow up on Tuesday on the price action before the FOMC meeting and decision on early Thursday morning, and the US non-farm payroll report on Friday night. There are a couple of Australian news with CPI figure on Wednesday and building approvals on Thursday. So we'll see what the price action is and the effect of the key events towards the end of the week. Right. So meanwhile, do watch out for my other videos on weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen, and the weekly Ichimoku analysis for euro and cable. Meanwhile, have a good trading week and cheers.